Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you here in Jeremiah 4 verse 4. Circumcise yourselves to the Lord and take away the foreskins of your heart, ye men of Judah and inhabitants of Jerusalem, lest my fury come forth like fire and burn that none can quench it because of the evil of your doings. So that is the message of the Lord for you today. That God wants you to circumcise your heart. God wants to sanctify your heart. God wants you to be pure in His sight. God is not happy if you will do the works of darkness. God wants you to remain in His love. He cares for you and He wants the best for you. Don't turn to the left side. Follow the right path. God wants you to move forward. God wants you to stand fast in your confidence to Him. Be ready at all times because the Lord is coming soon and His reward is with Him, and God wants you to be found faithful. God wants you to do the things that pleases Him, and God will give you the hope. God will take care of your life. God will take care of your livelihood. God will bless you so much. For that is the promise of God for you. Thanks for watching my video. God bless you all. Bye.